Hey, welcome back. In this video, we will discuss about the Chrome developer tools. So if I just go to the Google Chrome browser, as you can see, here is our web page. Here we have a heading and then two paragraphs. Okay, so Chrome has the inbuilt developer tools. Firefox has its own developer tools as well. Okay, so what you can do, you can just right click in the blank space and then click on this inspect. Okay, and this developer tool will open. Okay, all right. And as you can see inside of this body, we have the H1 which says hello world. So whenever I am hovering into this H1, on the left there is the highlight happening. Okay, and then inside of this one, this is the paragraph element, which is the first paragraph, and then we have the second paragraph. And whenever I am hovering into this paragraph element, then on the left side we have a blue box which is highlighting this particular paragraph. Okay, awesome. And also it works in a different way as well. So if I just click on this particular button, okay, and click any of the element here, if I just click on this, as you can see, the H1 is now highlighted. Okay, then if I just click on it once again, if I just click on this paragraph, now as you can see, this paragraph element is highlighted. So this is quite awesome. And if I just go to another website, which is the GitHub website, okay, this is the marketing page or the landing page. Here you can open up the developer tools as well. So if I just right click and go to inspect, you can do that, or you can just type the keyboard shortcut, which is the F12 key. So F12, as you can see, there we go, we are having our developer tools opened. So if I just click on this one and go to here, as you can see, this is the H1 element as well. This is a heading element. And after that, if I just click on this one once again and click on this paragraph, I believe this is a paragraph. Yes, it is. It is a paragraph element. Okay. All right. So this is how we can use the Chrome developer tools. And here inside of this particular panel here, we have the styles as well. So if you are working with the CSS as well, this Chrome developer tools are quite helpful. Okay. All right. So if I just go to my web page here, and I'll just close the Chrome developer tools from here. Okay. If I just go to here, as you can see, inside of these three dots, if I just click on that, and now the Chrome developer tools is on the right side. So if I just click on this button, so it will be at the bottom. And once again, if I just click on this button, it will be at the left. And once again, if I just click on this button, so as you can see, my Chrome developer tools have popped up into a separate window, which can be useful, can be not. So I just wanted to show you that. So what I'll do, I'll just click on it and just click on this dock to write. Okay. All right. So here we have the styles as well, as you can see, and then computed, layout, and many of the things here. And if I just do something like this, as you can see, we have the console as well. This is the JavaScript console. Okay. Then we have the sources, we have the network, we have the performance, and so on and so forth. So Chrome developer tools are really great. Also, Firefox has its own developer tools, which is equally great as well. Okay. So this is the Chrome developer tools in a nutshell. So whenever I want to inspect something, what I'll do, I'll just type the keyboard shortcut, which is F12, and open up the Chrome developer tools. And most of the time, what I do, I just click on this button, okay, and click on the element which I want to inspect. Okay, as you can see, the paragraph is now selected. Okay, so this is the Chrome developer tools, which is awesome. Okay, all right.